Tips and tricks. Reading. Begin by reading the paragraph and identifying the tone of the passage, style, topic, source, and writer's intended purpose. As you read, don't try to understand the meaning of every word, as you don't have time for that. You can quickly read through the entire passage to understand. Do not spend time reading every sentence in detail, as this can be time consuming and unnecessary. Focus on headings, subheadings, and look for main points that describe the passage. This will help later with finding answers. A keyword will help you identify the concept associated with the passage. Identify these keywords and underline or highlight them. Remember to answer every question, even if you cannot find the answer or option. If you are running out of time, remember that you will not lose a mark if the answer is wrong. So make an educated guess and you may get the answer right. Checking your answers can help you improve your score. Make sure that you answer all the questions and allocate at least 20 minutes for checking. To prepare for the test day, make sure you read a text on different topics from books, journals, magazines, and newspapers.